do have redemptions with gloves, full-size helmets, all that stuff, Top Rock. You just haven't seen them yet. They do have them, though. They're redemptions. They're just not direct from players, like you said. Like, the players don't ship his stuff. Wouldn't be able to afford paying the player to do that. Oh. Oh. Oh, smokes. Oh, boy. Shannon. Jonathan Quick, game used glove. GU, baby. Game used. PSA, DNA. It's all right. I mean, it's all right. Like I said, just little small fries, you know. For the Blackhawks, Funko Pop autograph Bobby Hull. Send it to PSA. Let me look at the auto. Send it in, baby. Send it to PSA. Yeah, that's true. Be better getting a pair. Definitely. Yep, no doubt. And Shane Doan. For the Oats, PSA. All right, donor. All right, let's see who has the JQ, the donor, and the Bobby Hull. Is the Bobby Hull Shannon? If it's Shannon, the Crosby stays here if it's Shannon. Shannon's going to have to forfeit the Crosby if this Funko's hers. I'm trying to bring her out, Jay. I'm trying to get her in the chat. One of these days, we'll get her in here. Custom Hockey. Kings. Hazy, are you kidding me, bro? Oh my gosh. Hazy, what the heck, dude? Bro. You had him in both, dude. You didn't just have him in 23, bro. They were in 24 when you were asking, bro. You had him in both, dude. I'm double checking. Yeah, let me see. Jay. Oh, okay. Yeah, Jay had Kings in the jersey, dude. Not this one, bro. So, yeah, you had him in 24 too, dude. You had him. Not just 23, brother. You had him in 24. Like, you... For some reason, Jay was coming up, but that was for the jersey break. Dang, brother. That's crazy, dude. That's pretty wild, man. That's your team, too, bro. All right, donor. Or Bobby Hull. If this is Shannon... I thought I saw Shannon with Chicago. I might be wrong. No, it was Andy. Andy had CHI. Okay, I was wrong. She must have had, maybe she had him in the regular jerseys. That's probably what it was. So this is going to Andy. Nice hit, Andy. Yeah, I think she's got him in the PYT. That's probably what I saw. Nice hit, Andy. There we go. Arizona. It's either A-Dog or Nikki E, I believe. We shall see. Going to Beef. AZ going to the Beef. Nice hit, Beef. Little donor action for the Beef. What up, Duck? How you doing, man? There we go. I gotta find something I can trade Shannon for the Funko. What am I gonna trade Shannon? I'm digging in my collection trying to find something. Trying to find something.